In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the DNSAPI.dll, otherwise known as DNS Client API.dll. So basically, if this is an important part of Windows, and if you're experiencing a DLL is missing error associated with it, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve it without too much of a hassle. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. Now into this elevated command prompt, you want to type in SFC space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word here attached to the / we just typed in beforehand. So again, SFC space /scan now. Then you want to hit enter here. So this will take some time to run, just be patient. And if you are experiencing this error, there should be a notification once it's done running that the Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files, and hopefully it was able to successfully repair them as well. There will be an output location for the files as well. You're more than welcome to read it. This is not going to only detect this kind of error, it could detect other system integrity issues as well. So this is a pretty safe utility. Like you guys can see, it's built into the Windows operating system. If you have not already used it before in the past, it's a pretty common command. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.